हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो इस डेट 6 of 36 per day Python journey, and today we diving into the world of the module and packages. Okay, so by the end of this video you will able to organize your Python code like pro. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first, what is the module? Okay, what is the module? So, a module in Python is simply a file containing Python code, function, classes, or variable. Okay. So, what a simply file? So, I can say a file contains Python code, function, functions, classes, or variables that you can reuse in your other files. Okay, so think of that it's toolbox you can carry around and use whatever you need. Okay, Python even come with the bunch of the built-in modules. Okay, like math. This is a built-in functions. Okay, so built-in module modules. Okay, like math, OS, and random. Okay, so cool, right? Now let's see how to use these modules. For example, to use math module, you can simply type, okay, simply type one for first I just explain here, then show to in a VS Code. Okay, so like we write import math, then print math of sqrt, मतलब square root of 16. So can you guess what will be output? Okay, so I just show you what will be. Are you correct or not? Sorry, yeah, wait, and I just remove the code. I think I'm facing some issue. Okay, so hmm, I just import math and print um, math of square root s sqrt of 16, and I just execute this code. Not showing 4. Okay, so you know how to how to calculate the square root. A square root means 1 by 2 power of the 16. So 1 by 2 power of the 16. So can I write this to like this? 4 की power 2 multiply 1 by 2. Okay, so I just cut off and 4. So 4 is answer. Okay. So you can just use the square root function from the math module. Okay. You can also import a specific part of the module like this. So here you can see I just first import math, then use math.square. But we can also import a specific uh, part of the module. Okay, like this. From from is a keyword, from math import sqrt. Okay, just print sqrt16. Okay, so just I will show you in a code. You just raise this one from math import sqrt, then print sqrt of 16. So you can see same answer. Okay. So if you are feeling fancy, you can even give a module a nickname using as. Okay. So we also have some nickname in our house, home, or like in a school, or in between the between the friends. So uh, we can also use a nickname for module. Okay. So like this import math as m. Okay. Now I can use m for we can use m for math. Okay. sqrt. Then again same answer. I'll show you. So I just import math as m. Okay. Sorry, m. Okay. Now print m dot square square root of 16. Now you can see again same answer. Okay. So it's like giving you toolbox and cool name. Okay. Now creating your own modules. Okay. Now let's create your own modules. Imagine you have a file called math.py, my math.py with this code. Okay. So I just create new file here for your reference, like my math.py. Okay. And I just write the code of two adding two variable and one more function for subtract two variables. Okay, so like this I created a function. Okay, custom function to add two variable a or b and return a plus b, and subtract a minus b to return a minus b. Okay, now you can use this module in another file, usually by simply importing it. Okay, like that. I just working in this file main.py. Okay, I just import my math. Okay, now print my math dot add 10 or 15. So you can see answer is 60. You can see here. Okay, now you can also use subtract. Okay, so you can see here print my math dot add subtract 100 to 34. Sorry, comma. So you can see here 66. Okay. So, and just like that, you have created and use your very own module. How cool is that? Okay. So what are the packaged? We just learned about module. Okay, now what are the packages? Okay, so module are great, but what if you want to group multiple modules together? That's where package come in. Okay, so a package is basically a folder containing multiple modules and especially underscore init underscore dot py file, where what the package might be look like. So suppose I just explain you. Okay, where is my whiteboard? This one. Okay. So what is the package? So I just explain you module, right? So this module module. Okay, have one file, right? So suppose uh, f1.py. Okay, now I have one more module like p2.py. I have one more p3.py. Okay, now I just create a group like all this file in single folder in a folder. Okay, but a condition always this folder have underscore init dot py file. Sorry, sorry, mm, underscore init underscore dot py file. Okay, so always always package might look like this. Okay, so here package name. Okay, so my package. Okay, this is a folder contain a first of all underscore init dot underscore dot py. Okay, this file. Now your first module, suppose my math.py file. Okay, now second file my strings.py. So you can import module from package like this. So you can import module from package like this from 1 minute. I'll take different color like from my package, my package. Okay, from my package from here. Okay, this one from import my math. Okay, now we can use print my math dot add 53. Okay, so you can output will be it. So it look like organize your toolbox into different compartment. Okay, so I just show you this thing in real time. Okay, so I create a folder here. So मान लो like I just my package folder. Okay, now I create I just move this to this one, this folder. Yeah, move, escape changes. Okay, so you can see this folder have uh, my math.py. Now I just create new file like my strings.py. Okay, this only like df like upper case and take string name and return to uppercase. Okay, so just string name dot upper. Okay, so I save. Now can I use this without init because I not mention here underscore init dot py. Okay, can I use directly? I'm just checking from my package import uh, math. Okay, so can I use just say check here? It is working, but I think it can't be used because for packaging. 1 minute, I just delete this one and delete this file. Okay, now run. Okay, it's running, but always to create a package, always use init underscore dot py file in the folder. Okay. Now you can run. I also create one more. I'm just importing string also from my package import uh, upper no my string. Then I provide print my string dot uppercase and I just mention Harish. Now print you can see it uppercase so Harish. Okay. Now we check we read about the using the third party libraries. Python has a amazing ecosystem of third party libraries that you can install using pip. Okay. Python interpreter, Python manager. Okay. Install. For example, let's install the request library for make HTTP request. Okay. So using pip, we can install any third party library using to pip. Okay. Now we just install request library. Okay. Or using pip. So first we check like is installed or not in our system. So I just go to VS Code and check here import request and run. So you can see here Python like request already installed, right? So because I was working a project that's reason is already installed. So first I uninstall this package. Okay. So paper uninstall request. Alright. So you also learn like how to uninstall. Okay. Now I check again run. You can see here always you will be get this error if you not install any required library. Okay, like this one. So now how to install? You just go to in a terminal and write 1 minute. You just write paper install Python library name request in correct spelling. Okay, so you can see here and now is installing successfully installing. Now you can check. Yeah, correct running. So I just copy just show you a example like this one and run. You can see here I'm getting to 200 code. It means it's like running fine. So it's just like that you have unlocked the power of the third party libraries. Now mini project. Okay, string manipulation package. So let's create a mini project that bring everything together. We will create a package called string tools with two module uppercase.py convert a string to uppercase and reverse string means just reverse the string. Okay, so this is our mini project. I show you now. We will work on this because I created already notes so easy to teaching. Okay, this one. So what will be our structure? Our structure of the package like this. First string tools folder. Then init.py, uppercase.py have a file, Python code and string this one. Okay, us.py. So for just go to our this VS code. I just delete everything. Okay, so I delete this code. and I also delete this code. Okay. Now I create a folder name of string tools. Okay. Now this folder have a file name. First I create init.py file. Now I create a file name of uppercase.py. Okay. Now I create one more file for uh, one more reverse, right? Reverse.py. So code of uppercase, just like this code, to upper, and for reverse, we just reverse the string here. Okay. Now let's use. So how we can use? So I just create a file outside. Suppose main.py is created inside. So I just move outside. Okay. So this folder have only three files: init, reverse.py or uppercase.py. So main file I just import first from string tools dot uppercase to import to uppercase. I already show you like particular like module part. Okay, from string tools dot reverse import reverse string. Okay, now text equals to suppose new. Now less for you. Okay. Now just print just print to uppercase of text. And second one, print reverse string of text. So I just run the code. You can see it's convert this to uppercase. And you can see here for reverse U first, then R O F knowledge like this. Okay, so congratulations, you have just created and use your first Python package. Okay, so you just learn today. We covered a lot of ground, like what are the modules and package, how to import and use them, creating your own modules and packages using third-party libraries. Okay, and remember, organize your code into modules and package, make it easier to reuse and maintain. Okay, and with the Python's vast library ecosystem, the possibilities and endless. Okay, so that is for day six, folks. If you found this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for daily Python lesson. See you tomorrow for day seven, where we will dive into Python file handling. File handling. Okay, you till then keep coding and keep smiling. Thank you.